Alright boys, welcome to day 41 of Road to 100K. As you boys know, yesterday I got my 5th winning day and now I'm eligible for a payout. But unfortunately today we took a loss. Really unfortunate. We got stopped out by like a tick and then we got take profit hit. So unfortunate day, but right now we're eating our pre-workout meal and yeah, we're about to head to the gym. But before that, I'm going to give you guys a quick trade recap, show you guys what happened and just overall unfortunate day, but I know I'll bounce back in. Good thing I had my daily loss limit in place because I probably would have spiraled today. Alright boys, welcome to the trade recap. I'm going to show you guys how I got cooked today. I'm fine with the loss. It's just my emotions that kind of messed me up today, and I just wish that I just took the first loss and just hop off the charts because the second loss was really unnecessary. But here, I'll show you guys. I'm down $291 today. Took 2 trades, and yeah, we're still green on the month, 600, but not how I wanted to end off today. I mean, I would have been happy with the loss, but it's just my psychology was cooked. So coming into the day, I was kind of mixed biased because I wasn't sure what Price wanted to do. We were just consolidating, and that's what ended up happening all day. But I kind of saw that we were in this 4-hour gap on MES, and I thought that this could be London high of day right here, and it ended up happening. This is London high, and this was high of day on both pairs. Right here is the 2 a.m. high, so we didn't end up coming up and sweeping London high, so that was high of day, and I anticipated shorts to break out of this range, and it ended up playing out, but it was literally just a couple, like I think a minute or two early, and I ended up getting stopped out. But I'll show you guys here. So basically, literally this candle right here faked me out. So we got the displacement lower after forming bearish SMT, and I really thought we were going to push lower after that, but ended up faking us out and we ended up getting stopped out. So right at the 950 macro 2, we end up forming SMT at one of these highs, and then we had good displacement down. So what I did is I entered off of here, stops at the SMT, targeting right here. Maybe we resweep this inside of this fair value gap. We got a nice move down. We end up coming back up, stopping me out literally by a couple ticks. Price consolidates a little more, and then we get the delivery down that I wanted, and we hit TP. So really unfortunate trade there. And then the second trade was just dumb. I don't even want to explain it. Here, I'll show you guys my executions. As you guys can see, these are the executions. I sold 5 right here as soon as this candle was displacing, targeting this, bro. And this was my first take profit. I'm pretty sure I was targeting lower, a 15-minute gap in here too. I was targeting this unfilled 15-minute gap right here. So that was my 2 targets, and yeah, we probably would have ended up hitting both of them right here. Yeah, it would have been a beautiful trade, but we just come back up, resweep this, and then I get stopped out here, and then Price ends up delivering lower. And yeah, I tried to take a dumb long right here too. As you guys can see, the execution's just ridiculous, bro. There's a SMT, literally it was just a SMT breaker structure play, literally going against the trend. I try to buy right here. I think there's a SMT right here. I try to buy, and yeah, I just got cooked. So this was just bad psychology, bro. I should have just called it a day, and I think that I might just stick to 1 trade a day, maybe risking 300 on that 1 trade or 250, because just my psychology after losing is just cooked. I just rather not take another trade. I'm not really mad at this first loss, but I can see why it didn't play out, because if I was just a little more patient and waited for Price to tap the CE, also if you mark out the swing point of this swing low, literally taps equilibrium perfectly. It's all good, we'll learn from it. But yeah, as you boys can see, pretty unlucky day today. Made some bad decisions, especially after the first loss. I should have just walked away or maybe found a re-entry, but I'm just gonna learn from it. Today was just a learning experience, and I know that I'm not worried about it at all. To all you boys that did win today, I know today was a really rough market condition, so hopefully you boys took a win. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Actually, I might not be trading tomorrow because I'm gonna be literally on a flight, so I probably won't be trading tomorrow. But I'll see you boys for tomorrow's vlog. It's about to be mad entertaining. Alright boys, headed to the gym right now, about to hit a quick back day. And yeah, tomorrow morning we're headed to the airport, about to go to Puerto Rico. And yeah, I probably won't be able to trade because market opens at 9:30 and I'll be on the plane. Hopefully I get there safe and have a good time, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my day while I'm there. I'm gonna be trading as well, Thursday, Friday. And yeah, let's run it up. Alright boys, I've just been here editing today's video, and I also just got finished packing. Look at this big backpack right here, bro. I'm gonna be walking around with that, so hopefully nothing bad happens. Hopefully I have a safe trip, and yeah, I'm just excited for tomorrow and excited to film more content, trade, all that. So this is just a glimpse of what my future is gonna be. Soon I'm gonna be able to travel wherever I want, have the freedom, and this is just my first step, and hopefully I can have a good time.